So we are back and today is 14th of August. So I can see there is sort of a bearish momentum start of the day. Yesterday I had taken a trade here. Okay, let me just check. Yes, this was the trade. So the trade was based off false lack of displacement. That's why it formed error. So now if I can see this is the 4-hour FPG. Okay, if this gets broken through before the London session opens, then I'll be looking to target this also. There is a unemployment claims which is sort of a consolidation zone for the London session, which I had seen in the backtesting session. So if this gets broken through, this will be the nearest draw. If this doesn't get broken through, then we have to wait for some sort of manipulation to the upside for me to confirm a bullish bias. Okay, not expecting to take a trade as all the unemployment claims they have either made a loss or form of manipulation. Let me check. Okay. It closes below, then we need to wait for a further price action to load. Bias is definitely bearish as of now, but no confirmation for that. London open in 3 minutes. So 1 hour candle did close below this 4 hour FBG, but the new 1 hour candle is showing a bullish order flow. It doesn't mean anything. 5 minutes CIST is somewhere here. Okay, in order to go high, there is no okay. The only liquidity can be taken is Asian high nearest draw. But most likely we will see some sort of manipulation to the downside if we do see a bullish order flow. Mm. Okay. One minute. So we did we see okay, we did see we should see some sort of manipulation. But the nearest draw is looking this Asian sorry previous Asian low which has not been taken yet. The Asian low. These are all L and L. This got taken, this got taken. These are the remaining. Okay, 15 minutes. So, mm, I need to see some sort of manipulation to either of the side to confirm my bias. Now I'm in a liquid state. Now market is still showing bearish as it closed below the 4 hour FPG. Let's check this law. You can also see some sort of manipulation to the upside, but you have to shoot some repeated high this side. Actually. Uh, so wanted to respect this FPG, 5 minute MPG. Okay, this was a sweep technically. If you do see another sweep, then we can confirm a slight bearish bias to take the previous Asian low. But this is not a CST. We didn't get a CST in the 1 minute time frame. Just swept that high. Expecting this 5 minute FPG. Yesterday's trade was misentered as there was no some sort of confirmed displacement. Yesterday's trade. Let's see. Oops, already. So we are breaking through this 1 minute FPG. This doesn't confirm anything because there was no manipulation. We just respected this 5 minute FPG. Just close below this flow, and we can consider this as CST. Can you expect? Initially can or cannot just manipulate here and go higher, but overall Troy is bearish has broke through this 4 hour FPG, did break through. See the 1 hour did break through the displacement. We are getting a rejection. So it can also be a retracement, sweep some high and come down. Overall my draw is bearish. Let's see. I don't have any higher time frame confluences as I'm sitting in my friend's house. I have only one laptop, so you can see only these two time frame. One is 1 minute, 5 minutes. 1 hour. Huh? Order is not closed yet, so this doesn't mean anything. So the nearest draw right now it is looking this low, but it can also just retrace a higher back. Alright. Let me see. Okay, this did close below this FPG. 1 minute. See, first in confluence I wanted to see is to do get another sweep, but here I need to after this I need to see a lot of displacement to the downside. because there was no manipulation. It just respected the 5 minute FBG. Okay. I'm going to keep my metadata open just in case. Very minimal ticks I'm going to take because I don't have any high time frame accuracy. Okay. 0.03. Okay. 0 lot size is accurate. If you see this could be considered, it's not a manipulation, this is just a sweep. Lower time frame, but didn't we get manipulation? See, while the market is rallying, the thing I learned is we can't get to sweep away. That's the thing that I learned. So I don't think so. I'm going to be expecting manipulation to happen. The only thing that I need to see is displacement. Do get a displacement. This let's see my target. Okay. Let's say I'm taking somewhere here. Okay. So final sell is here above this high. Target is here of 1.5. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Let it play out. See, initially I'm thinking about some consolidation we can see because eventually there is a is it today only? It was today only. CPI unemployment yesterday, day before yesterday, CPI I didn't trade. A full day was consolidation mode. CPI and unemployment claims. Mostly there is a consolidation. Either consolidation or you get stopped out by manipulation. It's also this one hour FPG, which I have not marked. This 1 hour FPG is here, so it close. Right. We are seeing some sort of a CHD, as you can see, it has broken this. We didn't get a manipulation, but it was a this is a not that. This, okay, we did get a sweep. Okay, Give us a displacement to the downside. We're still consolidating like yesterday. Here are no external. This is only the external that is present. Okay. Hmm. Okay. This could be also a manipulation until we get a displacement. Okay. Alert. Nice. I don't know who said that alert. So, structural close, then we can think about entry. 50%. We are not getting displacement. This is a sweep. Okay, so stop loss has to be somewhere within this range. Otherwise, my which to reward is getting messed up. Right. I'm not going to consider this as displacement. 5 minute is rejecting. This can also be the manipulation to initially go higher. Consider accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So I can change my bias if the market goes and gives us a CIST in the opposite direction. Let's see the 5 minutes close. Okay. No confluences are lining up as of now. To see some sort of clear displacement to the downside. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now I can consider this a displacement. Okay. Yes. Now okay. Let's see the 5 minute closure. 5 minute. There is not much room to go down. 9 pips and above 5 potential again 6. There is still this 4 hour efficient which needs to get taken. Okay, this has it been tapped? Okay, this has not been tapped. So this can be the external draw after this Asian low. Because if the Asian low gets taken, this most probably this will also will get taken. It has not been tapped yet. Okay, 1 minute we have nice displacement in the 15 minutes. Let's go to the 1 minute. Okay, now we can see some sort of displacement. My target is here. Okay. Let's see the pullback now. plus, so I can put it enter here. That is this and this local, this can be, this can what minute. Let's it close. Okay, it has given a nice closure. But we do have a dozy candle. I'm going to enter very minimal amount. If it does return to this order block, it's also the equilibrium. If it directly rallies through down, then there is no entry. Simple as that. Do get a touch of the equilibrium, then I'm going to enter very minimal amount. Doesn't give an entry, then that's not my problem. Okay, okay, we are getting a displacement, not displacement, retracement to the equilibrium. I'm going to enter somewhere here this order block. Okay, so I'm not entering until unless it comes here. This FPG. This FPG should be the entry point. This let's go to 16823. 16833. Okay. So is here. Okay, so the cell is a lot bigger. I placed my order. Take profit is, let's see, TP is 167 167 choose. Okay, okay, so it's 1 to 3 technically. If we to get an entry, don't get an entry, that I can't do anything. I place my entry here. It doesn't look like it's going to give an entry. Take this equilibrium. Sorry. Okay, still not a no entry. If it does take this, then I'll cancel my order. This is the nearest external draw. So let's copy the. Okay, I don't think so. We're going to get an entry. 5 minutes has completely rejected. I don't think so. It's going to pull back to the CIS, but this equilibrium was my entry point. No, I don't think so. I could not have entered here. There is just this FBG. So it is nothing to go against. Either this order block or FBG here or equilibrium. Everything is lining up in the same place. On that's the only entry point that is available. See, overall, if my bias is correct, I'm happy with that. Doesn't give entry, it's not my problem. Let's go. Let's go. Plus is just above this high. This high. This high also can be the second period here. If you do get an entry. Let's see. Pause the video. If you do get entry, I'll make it up. Well, so the trade has been entered. My entry was here. Stop loss is somewhere around here. So let's see what happens. This was my entry point. 16833. Stop loss is just above this high. So yes, I'll update you. Let's see. To do break through this point, then I'll put my stop loss to break even. So yes, that's the plan as of now. I don't see market going and retesting this FBG once more. Okay. So yes, let's just pause it here. See, we can see some sort of manipulating me and taking me out because of unemployment claims. So let's see what happens. Needs to break through this point, then we are fine with it. Okay. So I have entered here. As you can see, this was my entry. So 16833. Stop loss is just above this high. So now we are starting to see some momentum to the downside. After this gets closed, I will put my stop loss to break even. And initially, this is my overall take profit, but I will leave it running. Let's see. I've entered very minimal position, so I cannot just leave runners because the most minimal position I've entered lot size wise. So yes, let's see. It is looking good as of now. We have not we have rejected the equilibrium moment and closed below the range. So yes, I don't see the market going above to retest anything. And I'll update you guys as the video goes on, as my trade goes on. Sorry. So we did see a close below this. So now I'm contemplating whether I should put my stop loss to break even because we can see a sweep. Now let's see if this gets taken or not. After this gets taken, I'll keep my stop loss to break even. Okay. Or I can at least reduce my stop loss to here. I've reduced my stop loss to this high. So technically this is a break even trade as of now because we can see a sweep of this and we can go to retest this high once more. Okay, see we are seeing bullish order after this first step. Okay, see I put it at break even. Technically okay. Where is this bullish order flow coming from? Okay, see this got swept. We are seeing some order. Okay. Let me draw out my chart here. Entered here. Here. Stop loss is here. Take profit. Okay. If we do take this side, then we are fucked. System counter point 1 hour is rejecting this low. This low did get safe. This was a 1 hour low. So major low. I think this is what is causing the bullish order flow, bullish price action. 15 minutes, okay. 15 minutes also did save that. I think it was a smart move to put my stop loss to break even. See, technically here it was here, so I reduced it to here. So technically it is a break even trade from here to here. So here. Let's see if after this movement we get a close here, then I'm going to Eventually this is the break even point. This didn't get swept. This is the proper break even. I just reduced my stop loss. I reduced the risks on the table. Okay, that's the plan as of now. Let's see what plays out. So I'll update you as the market works out. So the market is consolidating in the same area. We should get a displacement closing this low, which confirms this is the nearest draw. Okay, we did get a sweep again once more. Okay, initially it has swept this low, so I'm going to put my stop loss to break even. Okay, so I've done that. So I put my stop loss to break even. Now I'll keep it running. Let's see. I'll put it in a journal as well. Okay, good trade overall. I got the bias right, executed perfectly, and the trade has worked out quite fine. So once I remove the trade, it's a like pretty okay for me to chill out and not look at the price action. So as you can see, like we can see some this as a form of manipulation also. That's why I'm uh, putting my stop loss to break even. If you do break through the with displacement, then the some that sort of manipulation doesn't count. Wait, if we don't see a displacement, we see some sort of upward move, then we can this can be initially a manipulation to initially head to the upside. Okay, because this is the London low, but nearest draw I'm guessing it is this. Let's see what happens. Let's put it in the journal as well. So I'll update you what happens in the trade. See my stop loss is here above this high and take profit is here. Okay. So I think so I'm going to get stopped out at break even. As you can see, there is a lot of rejection from here. My stop loss is here, just contemplating closing it somewhere here after seeing a lot of rejection. But I just left it running. There is nothing I could do. So yes, let's check the higher time frame, 15 minute. Okay, rejected that 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour. Okay, one new 1 hour candle. 4 hour. Let's see, 4 hour. Okay, it has closed nice. 30 minutes. It's still rejecting. I don't know. I'm thinking about closing it. Let's see what happens. I'll just keep it running. If it hits break even, it's break even. It's taking a long time. See, I was waiting. If it hits my stop, just hit it directly. Why are you manipulating so much? Okay, let's go. Just break through this shit. Yeah, I'm going to get stopped or break one. I'm going to pause the video and just end it after. See what I get stopped out at. Break even or profit. So we have initially closed below this low. So now I'm contemplating. We are going to break through this point. So now I'm thinking whether I should close the trade or just leave it running. Because technically we are up 1:2. The amount I had risked, I have already doubled that. So I was thinking to close here, but see, just trusting your edge and waiting for the market to play out because of this rejection candles. Okay, so what to get taken? Okay, yes, it got taken. I think so. I'm going to keep it running. I should close it. Okay, I'm going to let it run. Actually, it should be run. Let it run. Let it run. Okay, so we have broken through the point. Nice, nice. That's what I was contemplating. It's going to be initially breakthrough this. Nice. I'm going to close it here. Nice. Fuck this shit. Close it or leave it on. I'm going to leave it running. Asian low. Let it get open. Nice trade today. Wonderful. What all bias I have had today? Nice. Let's fucking go. See, this was the low which created here in Asian session. Okay, so this is the low which initially gave the movement higher. Okay, so that's why I had marked this low. It has broke through that low. So now there is very less chance that it doesn't go and take this low. Okay, so let me see what I can do. I think so. I'll just keep it running. But I can close it also. What should I do? What should I do? Let me see this 5 minute. We got a nice closure below this low. Okay, I'm going to close the trade. So, yes, so that's it for this video.